Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy tax lien properties in Texas. So first, let's quickly understand what this means. So in Texas, when a property owner does not pay their property taxes, the county can take legal action and sell the property at a tax foreclosure auction. So investors can buy these properties sometimes for less than market value. That's why this can be helpful if you are looking for investment opportunities. Now, here's how it works in simple steps. So step one, understand how Texas does it. So Texas is a tax deed state, not a traditional tax lien state. That means you're usually bidding on the actual property at a foreclosure auction, not just the tax step. Step two, find the auction website. So most Texas tax foreclosure sales are listed on http://www.txauction.com, your local county's official website. You can search by county to see available properties, auction dates, and minimal bid amounts. So step three, create an account. Register on the auction website. You may need to verify your identity and place a deposit before you can bid. Step four, research the property. So this is very important. Check the property address, condition, estimated value, and any other liens. So some properties are sold as is, so you need to know what you're buying. Step five, place your bid. On auction day, you can bid online if you win. If you'll need to pay within the required time frame, usually very quickly. Step 6, understand the redemption period. In Texas, the original owner may have a redemption period, so this means they can buy the property back within a certain time by paying what you paid plus fees. So make sure you understand this before investing. So that is basically how you buy tax lien or tax foreclosure properties in Texas. It can be a good opportunity, but only if you do your research and understand the risk. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.